Apply Vick Vaporub to these 10 areas, and the next day you won't believe the results. Vick's Vaporub is a very famous ointment in households all over the world. It first appeared in the 1880s and is still widely used today. Vick's was created on the basis of the medicinal properties of certain plants and essential oils. This mixture was created primarily to treat chest congestion, coughs, and other cold symptoms. But over time, it was discovered that it can also be used to control and treat other conditions. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you. Number 1. Reduces stretch marks. Stretch marks occur when the skin stretches quickly. Overweight people who lose weight can develop stretch marks later on. The same happens with people who exercise their muscles or are pregnant. Applying Vick Vaporub to stretch marks can help them become less visible. Number 2. Treats acne and pimples. When applied to this area, it creates an unfavorable environment for bacteria, which causes them to die. To use, you should apply it to the area and leave it on overnight. Number 3. Fights earache. Earache can occur due to fluid entering the ear canal or an infection. Simply put a cotton ball in the affected ear with a little Vick's Vaporub. This will help relieve pain, and a possible ear infection. Number 4. Helps fight headaches. Headaches or migraines can be easily treated with the use of Vick's Vaporub. It will also provide a relaxing sensation. Simply apply it in this way to the area known as the temporal region. Number 5. Relieves bruising. For small bruises, consider using Vick's Vaporub. This is largely due to the menthol, which helps relieve the pain associated with a bruise. Number 6. Insect repellent. If you want to keep mosquitoes away and protect yourself from bites, it will help with that too. Apply it to your arms, legs, or anywhere you think you need to. Number 8. Eliminates nail fungus. Nail fungus causes nails to change color, become thicker, crooked, and can even cause a bad smell. Vick's Vaporub can solve this problem. Simply apply it to the affected area twice a day. If you want soft, moisturized feet, apply Vick Vaporub at least to your heels and wear socks. It's a great way to recover this area. Number 9. Relieves insect bites. Vick's Vaporizer is a refreshing way to get rid of this irritation. To do this, rub small amounts of the ointment into the area, as it has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, which will help speed up the recovery process and also reduce swelling. If you have mild joint pain, apply Vick's Vaporub to the areas and the skin will absorb it. This will help relieve the pain in these areas. This will help you a lot in your day-to-day life or in times of emergency. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you know that Vick's Vaporub had these functions? Do you know any other way of using it? I'd like to know. God bless you all and see you in the next video.